Hi, this is Arun Kumar, and in today's video, we are going to see how to make a subscribe animation for your YouTube videos using Wondershare Filmora. Before that, for those who are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you will be notified when I upload videos in my channel. To make a subscribe animation, first you have to download a green screen subscribe animation from internet. There are a lot of websites that offers free download of green screen subscribe animations. So one of them is what you can see here. So if I open this, you can see the subscribe animation. So this is what the basic template that we have to use. Also, we need the logo of your YouTube channel and also a text of your channel name. So I can tell you one of the websites where you can download green screen animation. That is pixabay.com, where you have to go to the video section and just type subscribe animation. Where you can find a lot of subscribe animations here. So this is another type of subscribe animation. This is also green screen animation, and this is another one, which is a simple one. And there are a lot of other websites also where you can download the subscribe animation. So these are the three files that you require to make a subscribe animation. So for that, you have to open the Filmora app, and first you have to import these three files to the media. So now the three files are in the media, and first thing you have to do is you have to drag and drop the subscribe animation to the timeline. You have to set the resolution frame rate. Now we just play in the preview bar. So this is what it looks like. So now we have to add the logo. So just select the logo from the media and put it on top of the subscribe animation. So now we can see the size of the logo is very big, so you have to reduce the size, and you have to reduce it and make it fit inside this white screen. And also you have to drag and drop the text. Yeah, and again you can see the size of the logo is big, so we have to reduce it, and you can put this inside this white screen. So this is how it looks like. When we play it, this is how it looks like. Now we have to export this video. Now the video has been exported, and you can find it in the location, and this is the final video. So now we will see how we can insert this subscribe animation in a video. So for that I have some sample videos here. I'm just importing those videos in the media, and then I am dragging it to the timeline. Again, I have to import the video that we made to the subscribe animation, and we have to bring that video in the top layer. Now let us play the video and see how it behaves. So now the whole screen has gone green. So this is what we expect. So what you have to do is you have to right click on the subscriber animation video and then click the green screen. Another window pop-ups and then you have to click OK. Now let us see the difference. So this is what we expected. If you find my video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.